The arrival of iOS 26.4 marks a significant shift in how we interact with our iPhones, bringing a mix of deep system optimizations and security patches that aren't just nice-to-haves. They are essential for maintaining your device's health. While it is tempting to just let the update finish and go about your day, skipping a few manual configurations can lead to unnecessary battery drain and privacy gaps. The very first thing you need to do once your phone reboots is head straight into your iCloud settings to verify the new advanced data and protection toggles. Apple has refined how end-to-end encryption handles shared metadata in this version, and in some cases, these settings may require a manual handshake to ensure your cloud backups remain fully locked down against unauthorized access. Once your security is verified, the next immediate step is to address the newly introduced intelligence background indexing. iOS 26.4 features a more aggressive neural engine update that attempts to re-index your entire photo library and file system for better search results. This process is the primary reason users report overheating or terrible battery life in the first 48 hours. To mitigate this, navigate to your App Store settings and check for pending app updates. Developers often release compatibility patches alongside 26.4, and running an old version of a high-power app like Instagram or YouTube on this new firmware will cause a massive resource conflict, leading to significant thermal throttling. Keeping your apps in sync with the OS version is the single best way to stabilize your battery percentage early on. Finally, you need to take a look at the revamped Live Connectivity dashboard within your cellular settings. iOS 26.4 introduces a more granular way to handle 5G standalone and satellite polling, which, if left on default settings, can ping towers more frequently than necessary in low-signal areas. Taking 30 seconds to toggle these based on your actual usage patterns can save you nearly 15% of your daily battery life. Don't forget to perform a quick force restart, volume up, volume down, and hold the power button about an hour after the update is complete. This flushes the temporary cache files left over from the installation process and ensures that the new kernel is running on a clean slate, preventing those minor microstutters that often plague a fresh update.